Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Welcome back to my English blog. Now I am standing in our mustard field to give you a fresh update. আমি এখন আমাদের সরিষার ক্ষেতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। এখন তোমাদের দেখাবো এটা কতটা বড় হয়েছে, যদিও এর আগের ব্লগে তোমাদের আমি দেখিয়েছি। So as you can see the mustard field, the mustard flower have started filling and now the mustard seed are growing bigger day by day. This is one of the most important stages of the mustard cultivation. Guys, last time when I shared an update with you, the plant were only knee high like this, but now look at them. Look at them. This is almost my chest level. My chest level. The growth is really impressive and make me very happy. The plant look healthy, green and strong. Which means the soil and weather condition are supporting them very well. If everything goes like this, inshallah we are expecting a very good weight this season. This moment remind me that patient and proper care always bring good result, whether it's farming or life. See you in the next update. Thank you for watching.